Hello guys, welcome back to UC Trainings. Today we are going to see topic number 15 and 16 together in Creo Parametric. So let's go through the first. Creating drawing details. Today we are going to see means how to create the drawing details. In the previous section of section 13 and 14 we have seen means how to how to make the drawing details in the views and all the projections and how to do that. Similarly, step 1, have your 3D model open. Step 2, click File, New Drawing. The following menu should open. Obviously, we have seen this in previous session. Here we select the drawing part. Now creating drawing details. On the top ribbon, click General View and OK. Select the placement for your front view. Your screen should look like the image below except with your part. We have seen this. Like that, we placed our subject also. Creating drawing details. If your part is at an angle like mine, follow the next direction. If not, skip to step 5 in the box that says standard orientation, default orientation, etc. Select front and click apply. If your front is not in fact the front of the part, select the view that is front and click apply. It should now look like the image below. Okay. See. Now click the view display in the menu sidebar. The menu should now look like the image shown below. Change display style from follow environment to hidden. Your screen should now look like the second image shown in this section. Click OK to close the section. See, so this is how actually we create the drawing details, the orthography projection that we see in general. Now the second part of this session is showing a bill of materials, that usually we call that a BOM, like bill of materials. You can generate a BOM, that means bill of materials report, in a part to view a list of the designated parameters, attributes and objects in the part. A typical case is to generate a BOM of the designated bodies in a part. To make items available for inclusion in the BOM report, designate the items. Click model. From that model intent, then designate. The designate dialog box opens. Okay. To define the context in which to find the item to designate, under login, select the body type on the list. For example, to designate a body, select body. Now see, this is actually the procedure is from which we can designate the objects, from which how we can make the BOM that we will see in Creo. Okay. So this is all about the session number 15 and 16. Now let's go to Creo and see it. Okay guys, now we are in Creo. Let's see how to make projection views and the orthographic views of a drawing. So let's go to new. Here instead of part, select drawing and uncheck this use default template. Click on OK. Now see, it's showing us this thing. Click on OK. Now see, this is the default template because we haven't designed any kind of template here, like checked by, approved by, who's done the diagram and part, all that. So now for seeing the views, just click on this general view. Click on this OK. Okay. Click on general view. Click on default all. Click on OK. Now see, we have imported this part here. It is showing us new view type, default duration trimetric. Let's change it to isometric. Here on scale, that's okay. Sections, view states, okay. Okay, fine. Scale, let's see 0.020. Let's increase it and apply. Yeah, that's okay. Now click on this OK. See, on this sheet we have done this. Now now do one thing, go to this general view or just double click here. In here, view display, follow environment, just go to this and do it wireframe. Okay, apply this and click on okay. See, now we can see the wireframe diagram of the part. Now you can see these three commands: projection view, detail view, auxiliary view were off actually. I mean, until and unless we import any part and do this, then only you can click on this. Now lock view movement. Let's lock this. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Now click on projection view. See, when I go to right, it gives me the right view, and when I go to the behind this, it gives me the behind view. Now first of all, lock this movement. Let's check it here. Yeah, okay. Now we have shifted the view of our part. Click on lock view movement. Now click on projection view. It is giving me the projection view here. Click on okay. Just click on view display, go to this and wireframe, apply it, click on ok. Now projection view, let's go to click on projection view. Now see, we have clicked on projection view and we are going to right, so we will get the right view here. Double click this, go to view display and change it to wireframe, apply it, click on ok. Now see, we have created the projection views of the of this part on the object. Here we have done the so both of these views. Now let's go to detail view. Detail view means actually whatever part that you selected, it shows us that part in detail view. Let's means like if I select this circle, okay, now let's go to detail view. I have selected this circle. Now you can do one thing, you can just actually mark the territory in which you want to of which actually you want the detail view of this section. See detail A, just click it here, place it like this. That means you can see the selected detail view of any cross section that you want. So this is actually all about the projection view and detail view. Now, so go to new, go here, drawing, click on OK. See, default model, I have selected this assembly that we have previously made in our session. Very simple assembly to understand. Use template, click on OK. See, now let's change the, no, that's okay actually. So now you can see the views update assembly has been shown. With all this, here you can see this clearly. Okay, now to make the bill of material, we will show you means how to make it actually manually. Go to table, select a table of 3 by 3. Let's put it here just for example. Okay, now here, now first of all, let's merge these cells, these 3 cells selected, and let's merge it. Okay, now just click it, then this actually tab opens, and write everything in caps lock, that will be better. Bill of material. Now here this is okay. Here we can write serial number. Here let's write part name. Here let's write QTY, that means quantity. Okay, now first of all, let's format this to the center. Click on this, click on format, and make this at the center. This at the center. Similarly, all 3 of this, just press Ctrl and select all of them. Yeah, now that's okay. Now from table, select row, select this one. Let's go to table, select row. This has been selected. Just right click on this. It is not showing one command. It should be this. Okay. Add repeat region. Create a one directional region. Click on OK. Now just double click on this. Go to this repeat and add the index. That for obviously for the numbering. Now part name. Double click on this. Now here you can go to assembly and go to name. For quantity, double click, go to repeat and add QTY. Okay. Now go to this option, regenerate active model. Let's click on this and click on this at automatic. See, now this is a very simple assembly. It's just a extruded solid part in which I have made a hole in just a single pin. But see, serial number 1, part name is assembly. That's it actually. Why it's showing like this? Because we haven't selected the exploded view here actually. That's why it's showing like this. If we had exploded it completely, then it would have automatically shown the number of parts, the naming of the parts, and whatever the quantity is there. Okay, but I've told you what is the procedure for making the bill of material manually. Just go to table, insert one table, then give it name, bill of material, merge the cells, serial number, part name, quantity. In this add repeat region, just double click and select the parameters, and after that from here just regenerate the model and click on automatic and OK. It automatically makes the complete assembly. Okay, the complete actually description of the bill of the materials.